What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about auto insurance. Almost all of us have vehicles, and auto insurance is going to be around from now until the end of your driving life. So let's talk about some tips that I've got on how to save money on premiums and where I recommend getting auto insurance from. Let's start with the basics. The state of Florida requires drivers to carry car insurance, but the requirement that they have is a pretty low limit, all right? So if you're getting in an accident and that accident causes a liability above your coverage limits, that's going to come out of your pocket. So there are some coverage limits that I recommend, and basically the industry standard recommends for your auto insurance. Alright, so yes, you want to have auto insurance. As far as the limits, there's lots of different categories that can be kind of hard to understand. The bodily injury coverage limits, typically the industry standard recommends $100,000 for each person and up to $300,000 per occurrence. So that's bodily injury. And then personal property also, they usually recommend a minimum of $100,000 for that kind of coverage. You often hear the terms thrown around of 100, 300, 100. That's what it's referring to, bodily injury and personal property protection. Some other tips that I've got are about your deductible. Obviously, the lower your deductible, the less you're expected to pay if something needs to be replaced, the higher your premium is going to be. My recommendation is once you have a fully funded emergency fund, consider raising that deductible. You can afford that random occurrence where you need to use it a lot easier once you've got that emergency fund built up. On older vehicles, consider dropping your collision coverage. Dave Ramsey recommends that for older vehicles. Now, where to get auto insurance? The big two with pretty high service reviews are State Farm and USAA. I'm not going to sit here and argue that their service is bad or anything. Their service is fantastic. But like most things, you get what you pay for. For that service, you're going to pay usually more than what you could with other companies. And let's be honest, how often are you dealing with your auto insurer? USAA's auto insurance rates are a lot more competitive in Florida than their home insurance rates. What you want to do, my recommendation, as with the home insurance, is go to an independent company. I like, again, Brightway Insurance and Bold City Insurance. Those are two companies I've had good experiences with. What they can do, they can go out to good rated companies like Allstate, Progressive, other ones out there, and get quotes for you, see what comes back as the lowest. That's what I would go through with. They've got high ratings that they give you quotes for, and that's going to be a way to save some money since you're not dealing with your auto insurance company that much. Okay, so I've covered home and auto insurance. Again, Brightway Insurance and Bold City are some good places to go if you're looking for quotes. Next video I'll be talking about umbrella insurance and why that's important for some people but not most. Thanks, we'll see you next time.